Welcome to the channel, everybody. It's Investing Zone here, and today we are having another red day in the market. We have Bitcoin down about 1%, we have Ethereum down about 1.70%, we have BNB down about 1.40%, we have Solana down about 0.60%, and we have Cardano down about 2.30%. And just generally we are seeing the whole crypto market in the red. So the question on everybody's mind is, why is this happening for the third consecutive day, and whether we are going to recover or whether we are going to be going further down. So right here we're on the Ethereum to US dollar chart on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that same falling wedge pattern that I talked to you about in the last video. And I'll let you know that this falling wedge pattern is actually a bullish pattern, because the statistics say that 7 times out of 10 we are more likely to break to the upside, and that's what happened. Obviously we did have that initial run up, and that's when we started to make another pattern which looked like a rising wedge, which on the flip side is considered as a bearish pattern, because it's more likely that we experience a break to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. And the price target for this pattern was coming in at around 3.5k, and that's exactly where we bottomed out. But obviously we still have a long way to go until Ethereum starts to flip bullish again, because we still have some strong levels of resistance to break through, such as this 0.38 Fibonacci level coming in at 4.1k, and also the golden pocket coming in at 4.5k. Another bullish thing about Ethereum's price right now is that we have actually bottomed out at that same 3.5k price range 3 other times during December, which indicates a strong support level over here, and indicates that there is a large number of buyers that will quickly buy up Ethereum as soon as Ethereum gets to this 3.5k range. Moving on now to the daily time frame, you can see that I've done the same falling wedge pattern once more, but I have included all of the recent price action that we have seen, and it looks like a falling wedge pattern could still play out, as we are still forming lower lows and lower highs. So therefore there is a possibility that this pattern will lead us breaking out to the upside, which is obviously going to be bullish for Ethereum. But also bear in mind that there is a possibility of 3 out of 10 times that we could break to the downside. So to play it safer, I would wait until we see the pattern either break the supports coming in at just about 3.5k or the resistance coming in at just about 4k. For example, if we break resistance, the technical price target for this pattern will be coming in at around the top of the wedge, which is coming in at just about 5k. And finally, taking a look at the RSI, we can see that we are currently in the oversold territory, which for all the beginners out there means that the price of Ethereum saw a significant drop in a very short amount of time, and this usually results in reduced selling pressure, which means a slight bounce back to the upside, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now. Last but not least, I want to show you guys the Bitcoin fear and greed index, which is right now sitting on extreme fear. And historically, whenever the fear and greed index is on extreme fear, it's a good time to buy crypto and take advantage of the panic. A good example of this is back in September, during the September correction, when the Bitcoin fear and greed index was sitting on extreme fear. If you bought back then, you would be at a huge profit right now. But don't take this or anything that I've said in the video as financial advice. This is just me telling you what the fear and greed index has done for Bitcoin and for Ethereum and for crypto in general historically. So yeah, this is all I had for you guys today, and I hope to see you in the next video.